Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video today, informative video for any of you having problems with the AC system not working correctly guys. There is one device that's known as AC expansion valve, also known as thermostatic expansion valve. This device, I guarantee you, probably 9 out of 10 people do not know what it's about, and I was one of those, okay, for a long time. But it's super important. That device, if it doesn't work correctly, you can experience guys AC system freezing. Okay, the evaporator will freeze, it will not work. As a result, the AC will get weak and stop, and when you stop driving your car for maybe 30 minutes, it will defreeze itself and you will have AC again for maybe an hour. Another thing, it could cause where the AC is super weak, okay, not working correctly, or it can even damage your AC compressor. So we'll talk about that. Let's explain what it looks like. I want to show you here guys. We have, let me show you first what it looks like on the car, okay, right here. On the car, it's usually installed towards the back side under the windshield where the AC lines go in the dash. You see that's a high pressure AC line, the fat one is high pressure line, the low pressure AC line is the fat one, the thin one is the high pressure AC line. And this device right here, that's your expansion valve, also known as thermostatic expansion valve. I want to show you what it looks like quickly guys, okay? Let me show you here what it looks like, okay? Like this one, when you remove it. When you remove the pipes, the two pipes, you just have two bolts. Once you remove it, bam, it's right there, guys. Now, what's the purpose of that expansion valve? Guys, this valve, you have no idea how serious it is if it doesn't work, guys, actually. Because this valve, actually, what it does, okay, I'll show you here in a second. This valve guys, practically when the AC system runs, okay, the AC compressor will send the freon to the condenser, cool it, and it will be kind of like in liquid form at that point when it cools, and it goes, okay, in the high pressure line to the expansion valve right here. And that expansion valve will turn that liquid freon, it will drop, it will cause that high pressure to drop to low pressure, and as a result that will turn the freon to mist, and that mist will cause sudden temperature drop, which will make your AC cold, and it will absorb heat, and it will make sure that it comes back on the other side at the perfect temperature. Otherwise it will regulate even more. If it's not perfect, it can come out in a liquid form if it doesn't regulate correctly, go to the compressor, and if it's liquid form, that can completely destroy your AC compressor. So it's quite important guys, okay, quite important component, because it regulates the airflow, regulates temperature, turns the refrigerant into mist, so it's not in liquid form. And if it guys is bad, what will happen? AC evaporator will freeze, AC will be weak or not working, or it can even destroy your AC compressor. Guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Please guys, subscribe to the channel, help us grow that channel together. That way we can reach more people and save more people money. That's our goal here at the garage, to save you as much money as we can, because nowadays things are quite expensive, and saving a little bit on the side always helps guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.